how I photograph a campaign for a candy brand founder. This is actually a funny story, thanks the universe for blessing me. But I'm on a 12-week journey from amateur to pro photographer. And one of my mantra is to get out there and tell people what I do. So with this candy brand founder, I was walking around central London in Soho. I was just coming back for lunch with a friend, and this man was handing out candy in the street, in Carnaby Street in central London. And he was like, oh, if you follow me on Instagram, in exchange, I give you a free bag of sweet. And then he started explaining how he wants to raise his image, he wants to raise his brand, and he needs 10K followers on Instagram to gain more credibility. And he saw that the problem with his Instagram, he was not showing his face enough. So he wanted to elevate his visual and his personal brand and things. So I started following him on Instagram, looked a bit, and I was like, oh, by the way, like, I'm a photographer. If you need help with branding, I can totally help you. I was like, oh my God, that's amazing. Exactly what I need. I also need a photographer on a retainer basis because I want someone to take pictures of people eating their sweet in the street of London. I was like, amazing. So gave him my card. So another advice I will give you, so you always have a business card with you, so you come out as professional. So I gave him my card and I said, let's have a call and discuss further and stuff. He's like, oh yeah, give me your WhatsApp and everything. It will be lovely to discuss. So after that, I follow up straight away. Don't let this kind of opportunity slide. Follow up straight away. And we start talking on WhatsApp. He's like, oh, like, I just look at your portfolio. Your pictures are amazing. And by the way, I'm interested to receive a proposal for you. And I don't get anything for free. I don't never take anything for free. So I'm happy to pay the fees because I really like your pictures and I see that you're capable of doing what I'm looking for. I was like, oh, great, amazing. Actually, I did a photo shoot with a brand founder a few weeks back, the Mescal brand founder, and I have a mood board example to show you so we can jump on the call and discuss it. So we jump on a discovery call like a week later maybe, showing the mood board. So what I want to say here is, like, always an example of your work. So showing the mood board of the photo shoot I did for the Mescal brand. It's actually, I linked it up here if you haven't seen it yet. And he was like, oh yeah, great, this is what I want. But also my team also made a mood board. So I love this kind of client. Make your life easy, help with the old creative direction type. And he told me which kind of shot he wanted, the location, the story behind every shot, and when and where to meet. So for my mood board, I use Milanotes, and there I write all my IDs and shot list and everything. And for the picture reference, I use either Cosmos, either Pinterest, and I put everything there and try to replicate what is in there. But the good thing here, the founder also had his ID, so we like kind of merge the two mood boards together. And then he says, send your proposal with a price, and then we also decide on the price for the pictures that you're gonna take on a continuous basis for us, on a retainer basis for us. So there we go. So we set a date. We will do the first founder campaign in Waitrose, which is like a posh supermarket here in London that sells high-end product. So we do the founder shoot there and also in other locations around the area. And then we also did some hero portrait, but I don't have video footage of that, so I just put that at the end. So yeah, all that to say that if you are interested in this kind of content, give me a follow, like a subscribe, please, or give us a like, so then I can continue to create this kind of video, because I don't always have the time to edit the videos because I'm kind of busy with shoot and work and everything in between. So yeah, if you enjoy this content, let me know. And now, enough talking. That was a long intro, so let's jump into the behind the scene of this photo shoot. We're doing a fun shoot in the supermarket where his candies are. The security was not too happy about it, but we kind of managed to get a few shots in the trolley, as you can see now. So with Vignan from Yuma Candy. And the lighting as well is better there. We go a little closer, it's wider. the leg a bit higher if you can.
Yeah.
It's not something I can climb, but no, it's fine. Okay. I can actually come up. Yeah, but your leg need to be
Up.
Oh yeah.
Fine.
Gym, sorry.
Yeah. I'll go with you. Alright.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be back, Mike.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm shooting raw.
Yeah.
So I can send you the version that is easy to upload on the website, and the iRes as well if you want to print or something.
Right, well, thank you so much.
No worries.
Do you want me to grab the bag?
Yeah, I'm doing a close-up of you grabbing a bag. Let me check if I'm good. Yeah, go for it. Yes. Do you prefer a more vertical, or you're also happy with landscape pictures?
I think the majority of our shots that we're going to post, they're going to be posted on Story, or they're also going to be posted on a carousel and a reel.
Okay, so
actually,
mostly.
But as in, if you take it from a wider angle,
I
then
can
you
crop.
can do both. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So grab it. Back of the bag. Let me get a close up as well. Back of the bag.
Need you to maybe stack it onto me. So, yeah.
So we're stacking the candy, different flavor. More?
Yeah, probably. Trying to see how many I can get. Yeah. There we go.
One more maybe? Yeah. To balance a bit. Yeah.
That's it. Fine.
Yeah. That's good. Move your shoulder, like be a tiny bit, not too much, just a tiny bit, just for
Fine.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, look at them like they are your babies. Now look up. So is there? Yeah, there's one where you stand in the middle and we do like a leading lines around you. This is then this one I will be high level.
Yeah.
Probably here. Okay. I like the stance. The stance there is good. The stance. One more the other way. Yeah. Ah, this is cool.
Yeah. No, I don't need to look at the camera, or?
No, but I need it. Yeah, kind of. Can I open it? Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Well, this is cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Be a bit more relaxed, like blasé. That's the word I'm looking for, blasé. I'm trying to take a few so we can have variation. Good ones here. So now the next shot we're trying to get is like a vintage corner shop, because it's like nostalgia of eating sweets and stuff when you are a kid. But it's very challenging to find a corner shop, we call them off license here in the UK, that is willing for us to do the shot. But let's see, we got a few in this road. Maybe we can get an opportunity to get the shot that we are looking for.
I have a random question. I'm doing a photo.
We won't do the one sitting on the counter. Maybe you get another chance to do that.
You're not going to be able to do that.
Yeah, together we won't be able, but...
I sell it in the supermarket. Right.
All right.
Just chucking this onto the floor, or how am I going to do it?
So it's like just throwing them in the air, right?
Do it standing up, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
We'll go for it. 1, 2, 3. Was it one where I like there's a shot? I like that angle, you know, that
drinks,
yeah, with the drinks you can go there.
Yeah, maybe see if you think we can get creative with something else. We can't do. Could be
like this kind of shot and stuff. That's cool, yeah. So I like this corner there. Yeah. Let me come closer, like we do 50 there. But I also like a full body of you, like that. We can try two profiles. Some people prefer like this side of the face and the other side of the face. We can do both. I think you still have to turn a bit towards me because with the color are distracting the package. So it's good that you have a black jacket. So yeah. So we're gonna put some sweet in there, in the basket, yeah. So the story about the founders, they used to deliver newspapers when he was a child. So there's a bit of nostalgic storytelling, yeah.
Well, I'm giving the story of why we started young.
Yeah.
The journeys and the lessons.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a shoot with the sweet inside the bag, and maybe it will give out a bag to someone. We'll see. Yeah, and then for some reason the video stopped working, so we did some hero portraits around the train station. We did like some other street style shoot. As you can see, I'm overlaying it here. And yeah, he was super happy with the shoot. He's gonna use it for his Instagram and his website going forward. So yeah, I'm just making these videos to show you that when you manifest something and you act upon it, it tends to happen. So don't give up if you are like really working on being a photographer. And as I always say, be out there, tell everyone that you're a photographer and this is how you book client. I know if you're a bit of an introvert, it's difficult, but like please, like force yourself to go out there. This is how all the opportunities are coming. There's many videos that I'm editing at the moment, like proving that fact. So I will be publishing them around like maybe once every 2 weeks because I don't really have time to do it weekly. But yeah, anyway, so all that to say, believe in your dreams. And if you like this video, like give it a subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching and live inspired. Bye.